All right, this is Sierra, I believe it was. I've been working with her for about a half hour, so let's see if we can go for a little walk in the play yard. Come on, honey. There we go. Yes. Good girl. Want to go back and sit on the bench again? It's okay. Yes. Bless you. You want to go sit on the bench again, don't you? Don't you? Come on. Show me where it is. Oh, back to the bench. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I had my hand in front on that one. Anyway. We made it back to the bench.